Okay, so good morning. I want to show you just a real quick video introducing our new DSM Polynuc, dual strong multi Polynuc. It is made from 120 grams per litre expanded polystyrene, so that's EPS. It's really nice and strong, really well made. We're really quite pleased with it. So I'm going to show you in a moment how you put this together because it does come flat packed. But the nuc consists of, and you get all of this for your money, it consists of a lid, a top feeder, and then the nuc brew body itself with inserts that make it from a Langstroth hive to a British Standard hive. And it's got some really great features, and I'm going to show you now how to put it together. Right, okay, as I said, the DSM nuc comes flat packed, which is actually great for storage and also better for transportation because sending assembled polystyrene bits of kit actually is quite difficult. They can be quite fragile. So flat packed is good. So it's really easy to put together. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. So first of all, we have the floor. So we just have to put the underfloor entrance options in there. Two different colours, black and white. Really straightforward, just push into the two holes. Make sure they go flush with the underside of the floor. Next, we have the couple of slides which close the floor up if necessary. Okay, as so. Slide in and out, just to see that in ventilation. Next thing to do is put the two disc entrances on the two sides. So it comes with some correct size screws. You just need a Phillips screwdriver. Pop it over the entrance and then quickly bring it up, and then you can see we've got completely open, Phoenix excluder, completely closed, ventilated. Okay, and I'm just going to do that now on the yellow one as well. Okay, so both entrances are screwed on. Now we're going to put together the brew body. Really straightforward. Get one of the long side panels, one of the short end panels. Just locate the side panel in the end panel. You can see on here like that. Other side panel, again, just locate it in place. Finally, the other end panel, just on top, securely in place. Now we're going to put that on top of the floor. Here we are. Again, push that down so it's all done. Goes together really well, actually. It fits together well. It's solid. It feels really quite well made. Okay, these are a great little thing. Again, mentioned it in the introduction part. These are strengtheners that go on each side or each sort of short edge of the box. So strengthening the polystyrene. Polystyrene isn't the most, it's not like wood, it's not as strong. So if you have these on here, one like that, and another one on there, and then there are similar pieces on the feeder. I'll put them screw them together in a moment. Let's pop that on quickly. Brilliant to get your hive tool in. Not going to damage the polystyrene at all. So just skip forward a little bit there. So let me take that feeder back off. You then need to screw these in place. So I'm just going to do one corner to show you, and then I'll do the other two. So you have the holes there. Screw in. Again, same Phillips screwdriver. Really easily. Screw that down so it's in place. Okay, and then the other one on that corner. So there's 8 screws all together. So although it comes flat packed, it really is only a, I don't know, 4 or 5 minute job putting it together. Right, so there, those 2 done. I'm just going to do the other 6 now. Right, okay, so that is all assembled. You see here? So this is the basic nuc. This is the Langstroth size. And I'm going to show you in a moment the inserts that make it into also a British standard or a national size nuc. So we've got the nuc body. We've then got the feeder. We've got the lid. Hole in the lid as a bung. And a really solid plastic bung to go on top. So if you wanted to feed syrup without opening the whole lid, you could obviously pour your syrup through there. Okay, so as I said earlier, it's a 6-frame nuc. This is at the Langstroth size at the moment. So I've got a few Langstroth frames here, and you can see they just go down on the plastic runners. Okay, so you'd fit 6 of those in there. It also comes with a board, so it's a solid board, better than the Corrix you can sometimes get. And can you see here, we have some grooves there. So the board just slides into these grooves there and there. Just slides in easily, and then you have 2 3-frame nucs. So the real unique selling point with this nuc, you can have it as a Langstroth, or you can have it as a British standard, which will fit national or WBC frames. So it comes with 2 inserts. These inserts, and you see again, they've got a groove there. They simply slide 1, 2, really easily down. And now it's reduced the size of that so you can fit in British standard frames. Again, it can be a 6-frame nuc, or it can be 2 3-frame nucs. And then the frames just fit into these castellations on the polystyrene, like so. And it comes with a second board that just goes into that groove in the middle to create 2 3-frame nucs. So the nuc comes with a feeder, top feeder. Just pop it on top of the groove body, like so. And you can see here, it's the Ashford style feeder, so the bees come up either end. It can come, if it's a 6-frame or if it's a 3-frame, you've got access there and there and there and there to the syrup. Pop your syrup in the middle, bees come up either end. If you want to feed fondant, if it's a 6-frame nuc, you can just take these covers off, put the fondant in the middle, the bees get access to the fondant. It's a really nice little feature. One other thing to show, or 2 other things to show you. There's the lid, pop that on, and again, I said before, you can open the bung, pop some syrup in there without disturbing the bees. So another couple of little things to show you, apart from which I've already shown you, which I can't say enough about. You've got these strengthening bits here, which are brilliant for getting your hive tool in. And you've also got recesses here to take off the feeder really easily. But it comes with some other little recesses there for a hive strap. All polystyrene hives, the lids are could be one of the issues in weather. No matter how thick the lid is, you really would need to strap it down if possible. So you need to strap out there, and it comes with these little marks here to put your hive straps in. And then the other thing is these are really good, and they can be stackable. So on the bottom, you've got the holes here in the 4 feet. You've got 4 feet, so you can raise it off the floor. 4 feet, so if you want to put another one on top, another complete nuc hive on top, you can just locate these 4 areas in the corner, and then the hives can be strapped on top of each other. So you could have, I don't know, 4 or 6 all strapped together in the winter. So these are our DSM Polynuc. D stands for dual, S stands for strong, and M stands for multi. It can be Langstroth frames or British standard frames, 120 grams per litre polystyrene, expanded polystyrene, so EPS material, so it's really strong, really dense. It can be painted as well with a masonry paint, and I think your bees will love them. Thank you very much.